As anticipated, in spite of more heavy rain, even louder thunder last night, and though Jimmy and a few others were still cleaning off the last of the mud, today Hydra was more or less back to its normal beautiful self. The sun was shining, the harbour cats were out in force along with locals to enjoy our winter sun and to welcome the fishing boats back into the port. I just love having my camera ready at the right moment. I gather from Nikos, our resident weatherman, that we've had more rain over the last 48 hours than we had during the disastrous storm of October 2015. But this time it wasn't as damaging because everyone had been more mindful not to leave obstacles in the street. Having said that, most of the houses that were flooded the night before woke this morning to a repetition. I met a few harassed house managers rushing to check their charges to do it all again. On my way home, I met this youngster. He's out on a training exercise with his mum, and I just loved the way he really posed for the camera. And the area at the bottom of the football stadium steps had been beautifully cleaned, and the cats were happy rummaging in the bins. I just love living on Hydra.